If your creation kit is crashing every time you use a Nif, this is how you can fix it. So first, you're going to want to open up your Nif in Nif Scope. And then you're going to want to go over to your nitri shape, go down to lighting via shader property. Then you're going to want to go over to the shader flags 1 or 2. You'll want to check both of them. Here you can see nothing's wrong with mine. But over here on the second one, you can see that the glow map property is selected. But up here, it says defaults. So I'm going to want to switch this down to the glow shader. You're going to want to do this with every single one of your nitri shapes. Always make sure that the nitri shape that you're about to fix actually does have that shader type.